see when the small pikin they even they say yes, he said the woman they read they beat the mama. I see when the mama they tell the pikin say if police come, tell police say you my grandma they beat me. Tell police say your grandma they beat me, you know. And police I can't really see her for the background. Say police they really they come, you know. So when I say this, I can say what if it go just happen rich like this way? Be say so say the girl they insult the woman they insult her, say pikin can never marry him, you know. I not talk say mother-in-law say that they bad though. Mona not get me wrong. Mona not say the DJ don't talk say the woman they bad or this. No. But if una son marry, Mona they say they give them space. At least they say need their own privacy. If maybe you come that day, you come meet, they say that they quarrel, the mother-in-law that made they talk to now. You come meet, they say that they quarrel. At least you will settle the matter. Don't say you go join one side, you can't join your son. Your son will begin they say, Mona see Bini women no. Mona see Bini women no. If you want marry, Mona not marry Bini women. Mona not marry Bini women. You know, I can't dey surprise. What did the girl come do rich like that? Where the Ishan man they talk say me they don't marry Bini women. I can't dey surprise. What did the girl come do rich like that? You know, my people. So mother-in-law, because some women will be said that they bring their pikin come. Really, that they always the one rule their pikin. Now they wanted their pikin with who their pikin go marry. Now they want many, you know, now so that they always they do. Now them will tell their pikin say, see who you go marry, so you not go marry, you know. But I can't they like they read they can't they reason and say some women for this Europe, if they bring their pikin, I don't know why they don't the one make they get space with their wife. They always want maybe say the one where they choose, then their pikin go marry. Some of them, I don't talk say now, oh, man, I'm not gonna shop mirror for comment section or I beg. They always want maybe say now the one where they choose, say their pikin go marry, now he go marry. Even sister, where go bring a brother come safe. He go always want maybe say now the one where he choose, now he pikin go, now his brother go marry. You know that they always did one. So my people, you know, it's not really good. When I just see the video where they get the shout, they get the cry, say the woman not let her rest, the woman they fight him, the woman they do on this one, I say, how come? You know, we're supposed to even they talk for their matter. I know say one day me too, I will see be a mother-in-law, but at least your mother-in-law, if you did nice to your daughter-in-law will see did nice to you. You understand? And another thing when I want to tell our women, if you want marry, you see say the mother-in-law not like you, your husband mama not like you, I beg, no go there. I beg, no go there, because if you go there, what do you go see? They're not the 10 man though. What do you go see? You will see run by yourself. You will run because he not like you. He not like you. There is not where you go, where you take please and when you go take. You understand? So if you not like you, he not like you. I beg, Mona not they go. If you want marry, you say the mama not like you. I beg, because now they resolve to all those things. Because the way we say look the thing now, I can't look and say, but I say the woman not even like the girl. You understand? So now they resolve to all those kind of things. I go put the video. Mona listen to the video small before I go continue again.
Yes, it's crazy. Dans les bains, ça. Yes, it's blood. Come on. Put your daddy. I didn't know me well. You're going to come and you take it. Yeah, you take it. You take me. Yes, you're going to come and you take it. I didn't know you You even like helpers? You like helpers? You kill Mama.
No.
Yeah.
Man, you won't kill her. You. You won't kill her fast. I make my children for
money. You don't want
I wake my children. Yes, I don't become a police. Not your boy, I go to kill you. You kill you.
Hey, look, I know the phone talk.
You never say what is money taking me. If you don't want me, I'm about to
Benin women for Italy. Anybody want to Italy whenever marry for Italy. If you not see Benin women, more than they don't know. Benin women, they're bad though. Woman, when I say I marry with my wife, now they fight my mother-in-law this morning. He don't call police. Can say me, the husband will go prison. My mother will go prison. Now my mother they call so show na the see. I beg, make una dey run for Benin people. They're no good though. They be demons so. I beg, go make una dey run for them. Yeah.
Ayuta. Who will let you go?
You understand?
Your money is bad.
I go use the wish kill you.
I don't keep one.
It's okay.
It's okay. No, that was your coming.
I told I don't see the video now. See where the girl, the way the girl they talk, the way the girl they do for there. Where she they cry, they say the woman they fight her more, the woman don't want to let her rest to this that to you know. I beg mother-in-law. Husband mama, one they let una pikin. Because I believe if you did nice to this girl no go come they react, come they even insult you. Maybe she not confident take the way you take the insult am again. Now what me reason no? Maybe she not confident take. But I go play some voice record. More na listening when the girl they talk to a pa say because they carry the matter come social media. So when the girl they talk to a pa, they talk everything say happen. So una go listen small. More na look who they wrong and who they right for this the boy and the girl. Because the boy too see talk and they constantly apologize. That statement when he make. When it say if you see Benin women more not marry you, Benin women they bad do. Now all Benin women they bad. Not be all Benin women, my dear. If one Benin woman can't just do you something, say you marry Benin woman. I believe saying I love, now make you marry the girl. You know just carry, go marry and on a date. You say and say now get where you feel mad, then you go marry him. So I not see the reason so now they quarrel, you can't talk say man not marry Benin women. Like seriously. That statement you not talk away, and that one happy say you can't apologize to everybody, come beg hey, that one they good. Say you just can't just begin they react like that. Say Mona not marry Benin women, no Benin women they bad though. Might not be all Benin women they bad. There are some way they bad, there are some way they good. Now so it be even some Bishan women, some day way they bad, some day way they good. So now so it be. You understand? Don't be say you just talk, say, man, I not marry Benin women, no. But man, I not marry Benin women, no. Now, all Benin women, I did bad. Not be all. You understand? So, I play the voice record for now. Where they get till they talk. Wait till they talk. Because the girl, if I say that the boy brother, I carry the matter, go give a pa. So, when he said they even go do DNA for the pikin, say not be the boy get the children. But the boy say, the boy never denied that pikin. The girl say 12 they never able do any DNA test one day, and they never even denied that pikin for one day. You understand? Even the video where can go viral now. The boy say no even know who go bring that video come out. He say he don't know. He don't know who do that thing. The thing they surprise him. The thing they shocktalize him. Say the thing he don't know. He don't know who do one. You know? So now when you don't already do that kind of thing, you don't put video for your phone like that. You know people now, trust them. They will just carry the video, begin the share and they go. That's so they be my brother. So you're not gonna blame anybody. That's what they do. So make I play the voice record. Me you more not listen.
use your food. Say no, if you give me the food.
But the girl,
At first, it said, I say, you know,
she want to just that DNA part. We will go pull life for leg now. Now we say leg bone, ogo, So if matter do, if this don't come out that don't enter social media, they don't change everything.
During that period, I probably said, give me the phone, you know, give me. I was laughing. When we did that, I was looking for his pocket. As I put my pocket, he can't carry my baby. Meanwhile, I just knew both. 1 month close, never reached 2 weeks. So I did one. Now, some people don't take carry follow me.
Because they beat him.
He dropped.
When they beat him, how can a man go beat any man with a beat woman? He's not be responsible man.
Nothing. I don't even go 1 month close.
1 month plus, they beat woman with just born. What about if blood go enter his head? I don't understand.
My legs can't break when they beat me. Maybe take a woman for bossers. Now if my finger still beat this boy. As my finger meets her, as I just say, you injure me blood, I just leave her. When you say you injure me, I just leave her. But situation whereby Pedro wanted to, he brother Pedro can say, because the brother they go say Pedro go admission, he go hospital. If Pedro go hospital, let Pedro come out, me swear in life, man, when I like, if Pedro go hospital, for that matter. I'm not drawing prick, I'm not causing prick. If you're not causing prick, I see there, like, I injure and I see there, like, see, then I just have to like, they just new pack on.
Now the year, the people like for the girl, enjoy too much. Alright, my life.
Not the story again. Everybody already knows if you don't pack load condoms, follow another woman. Not be new thing. It can happen. Not what never happened before.
Okay.
The major system make you take off your picking because I said that
You do pack it, just go follow another woman.
but I don't go fit. I don't want to send that because I don't want to bring the matter further. They bring. Why did you make me talk this matter? I want to clarify myself. Because I brother and I bring me come and paper, you don't hear me.
I hear you. I hear you.
Okay. Now your brother, now you bring my leg come out. Because if the brother not come say Pedro not be Pedro get pikin. I know come talk this word. Because even the Pedro I send a message, I send me message say, if you deny pikin, many key. Because that's what they swear. They don't like me, they swear. But for that, my pikin, you. Pedro never ever use the mouth when no one is looking for my pikin.
Now the year.
Because as me used to talk now,
So never ever did our house
and the house now see for here. So the major see what 1 year for each side because now brother the night don't come because when you say adults not they behave like adults, small pikin not they behave like small pikin. It's when this matter they start I don't know talk good. Say me tell Mama Daniel say the way Mama Daniel tell me I go tell Mama. Even Mama Daniel matter so, but this is a cause for it. If Mama say Mama Daniel, make Mama Daniel follow and come pack my things through. No one not here. If Mama say me voice record, say she will come and ask me pack my load through. If Mama not told man speak, children marry at home.
Now the year.
She won't need them.
Una here now.
She won't be at children go to
okay.
Problem. Make them come.
If Mama not just want make the children marry.
Because she be caretaker.
Una dey see am. And wetin I talk just now. If they bring their pikin, they don't let their pikin rest. Some of them. They want me be say, now they go tell pikin say, soon you go marry, soon you not go marry. But they are many of them are they are way. Now yeah, now see, if Mama not just want me they marry. You see am. See, if they respect the woman like Mama.
But right from the very beginning, she don't hate me. But I don't get to understand. She not be say she hates, and she everybody she hates. Another person because she not like her.
Okay.
Because she make her day clear.
I'm what I talk just now.
I only have children that she value. Because no pikin wait, no get wait pikin don't carry go and wait she like. She don't need anybody. She don't need anybody. Okay. So when they go born, maybe they gather money they give her, maybe she just live her life. Because she make one statement that they say. Okay, the children now, we don't go force them go account. Which kind of thing that one? I'm not the one that was telling me to talk me go account. Because I said of big rich for your life as old as he is, not get account, and money their own money for her.
Una dey see am, and they don't good. How can you just be mommy's boy forever? Mommy's boy, you be small pikin, baby.
They announced me they go say I drive Pedro for us. I'm not driving for want to say.
You be small
I don't know
pikin.
when I go for 9 10 is don't tire. He not get everything they follow me they do again. Because they give another year they me and the girl that do it, they got that good. Stand the next night. I beg give her. The major thing is if they take care of my pikin, yes, they bring money to take care of my pikin. And I think I'm okay with that. I don't get problem. Maybe I beg, maybe they come and for inside. And I said, that Pedro say no being my pikin because every day they trade for social media. Now tomorrow they will
They'll change them.
I won't carry the for another place.
Yes.
I won't give Pedro. Because if Pedro big come and you like, see if you talk as many key because you don't school for past your mama for this matter.
You don't talk the something. Say, like when we come for Nigeria, then we don't know.
No, the same. I want to play the one with the boy for beg. I'll see what that on this one.
Anything we come back again. No people. I need down. Me and I don't take Arabocon. I'm from Edo State. By using that word, say Benin people, they're not good. Who never marry, say Benin people they marry, men don't marry there. Or maybe they wrong. Now, because are they out of annoyance, nothing to come.
Okay.
I did very sorry. I very old man, I very young woman, I very the children, and I very the youth. Make una forgive me with all una hearts. I did very sorry because not everybody not good for Benin. And they sell for Benin, not they sell for Israel.
Okay.
Not they sell for everywhere.
Now this year.
You understand? I beg. It's just because they are not fit here and say the woman slap my mother, they beat my mother. Now they use that word. I'm very, very sorry. Make you not forgive me. Once again. God bless you all. Thank you very much. I'm so beg. I beg any.
When I see when he come back, say may they forgive him. You know, and so more na forgive him. He say though apologize, say hey, but Mama Pedro, you hear what the girl talk just now. He say you not just like anyone at all, only your children and you like. You don't even like any of your children wife. Only your own children and you just like because now you bring them come Europe. It not good. It not good. Osmo mama. The way because I talk just now say if you dey nice to this girl go dey nice to you. You understand? You go dey nice to you. I believe say you not dey nice to her. More than dey nice to una daughter-in-law. You don't do na anything now. He marry come the home. Even talk just now say he take you as your mama. He take you as your mama. But the way you can't take her, now that one can't tire her. I beg. Maybe they love our daughter-in-law like our own. You understand? I don't look you say you be bad person. You the mother-in-law. You say you be bad person, but at least love your daughter-in-law. Take her as your own picking. Yeah. So that, like me now, I love my mother-in-law. I love her. They love me too. You understand? Because everybody want they happy for a marriage. So you can't marry, say mother-in-law not they let you rest. That marriage you not go get peace. Peace not go there. You not go there happy. You not go feel drink water to keep cup. No understand. So that is why if you want to marry, if you say the woman not like you, I better not go there, my dear. Because if you just go there, go waste your time. He not love you, and they not go still love you. You understand? So I beg, maybe they do things in the right way. Mama Pedro, I beg. What did your son say the verse and he say she go party when he go Nigeria? He said that one the verse, but obviously he cash and say he sleep with another man or he do anything with another man, nothing like that. Now only that one I say the verse for. So I beg, if you not feel resolve on an issue, wanna settle back, me you take the girl as your own. If you not physically settle back, marriage not be do or die. If you not still work out, everybody go a separate ways. But if you still work out, now good thing, my people. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. And share this video. Share this video so that make you reach all the mothers-in-law, make you reach their hand. So may they take their daughter-in-law as their own. If you know, say you know they call your daughter-in-law, they call them. Say they hear from her. Maybe only she go, they call you. As one of my lady talk for a platform say, mother-in-law say make if you see go na pikin, as not be say una see they behave like all those old school, all those ancient days, like all those old school things say, now only a wife must do something for house. No. As a mother-in-law, will you be, you see they are jack. If you go your picky, I see help and sweep, you don't mean anything. You don't mean say you say now only the girl just they do everything. If you so that make you say make you the day smart, as in go still make you the ajak, you know. You know, say some mother-in-law they like my own when a swagalicious woman. You know waiting day. When I go to Nigeria, when I see there, I shock, I say, in fact, the woman too, she too correct. You understand? So people don't they behave like all those kind. Now Europe you evil day. Like what are we not talking about here? Now Europe you evil day. So you know this. You're not supposed to they reason all those kind. Now let the girl go must do something for us. If you officially help and do something, see help and do sweep, do cook. It don't mean anything. You go make the girl they love you the most. Say, my mother-in-law. Hey, that woman not send do. A very nice woman. No, you don't understand how they gist together, they play together. You know. So now let this one be the advice when I just can't give today. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye, and give this video a thumbs up. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye everybody. Bye.